Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. The Oneplus 10 Pro was launched back in the March, but it landed alone with no vanilla Oneplus 10. This made us think there might not be a standard Oneplus 10, which was seemingly confirmed by Oneplus itself. The company said there would be no other model in the 10 range. Since then, rumors of a Oneplus 10 have vanished, and now it have arrived again from quite credible sources. So it seems there might be a Oneplus 10 after all. The only release date rumor so far points to the Oneplus 10 landing in the second half of the 2022. It's possible though that it could land around September or October. In this time frame, historically we have seen a T model. As for the price, the OnePlus 9 started out at $729 for the lowest spec base model. So we might see a similar starting price for the OnePlus 10. Of course, the new phone could shift the price up or down a little, but we wouldn't expect a big change. A leaker has shared many of the supposed leaks of the OnePlus 10. According to OnLeaks, which is a leaker with a very good track record, speaking to Digit, the OnePlus 10 might not just exist, it might even beat the OnePlus 10 Pro in a couple of ways. Specifically, it might have 150 watt charging, up from 80 watt in the OnePlus 10 Pro or 65 watt for US buyers, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset, up from the vanilla Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the OnePlus 10 Pro. The second spec looks far from certain at this point, and apparently OnePlus is currently deciding between that and the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset. I understand it's very strange to think that the vanilla OnePlus 10 might be more powerful and faster at charging than the OnePlus 10 Pro, but then it's also strange that this phone is launching so long after the Pro model, if it really does exist at all. For now, we would take the leak with a pinch of salt, but the rest of the rumored specs are at least more in line with what we would expect, including a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, 8GB or 12GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of storage, a 4800 mAh battery, and Android 12 with the company's Oxygen OS 12 overlaid on top of it. The OnePlus 10 reportedly also has a triple lens camera with a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 16 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro snapper. On the front, there's apparently a 32 megapixel camera as well. So I think that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.